Hello guys, in this tutorial would like to show you how to return SHEIN items. So say you bought an item here on this website and you want to make a return. Perhaps you've got a wrong shoe size or something like that. At the top of this website, you have some options here such as shipping info, share and earn, and return policy. So when we click on return policy, it's going to show us a page on how to make a return. So there are 4 steps to the return policy. The first step, of course, is to contact customer service on the site, indicating the items you would like to return and the reason. You will receive a returning instruction for you to follow, and then you're going to package the item or items to be returned with the original packaging. So if you had your packaging destroyed, that might be a problem, so you need to keep your original packaging. And then the next thing to do is to drop it off at the post office, as you can see in this icon here. And if you return it following the return instructions, you will be receiving your refund in 7 days after the package is received back to SHEIN. This fund will be sent back to your wallet or the original payment account based on the refund method you chose. So these are the steps to follow if you would like to return SHEIN items.